Longtime viewers of my channel may remember the Aldi Rangemaster smoker. It's a bit worse for wear in the appearance department, but it still cooks great. And in fact, we smoked some chick-wings the other day. The problem is, the inside of it just gets not too nice. Not too nice. So I want to show you what I found to solve this problem. Here's a better look at the inside. Everything is just, you can see all the stuff there. Nothing is going to budge this. It's disgusting, and you're like, what do you even do? Well, I want to show you what doesn't work, and then I'm going to show you what does. We all know what this stuff is, at least if you're here in the States. Formula 409, been around forever. Good stuff, they say. So we'll just spray this down. And I'm actually rather surprised. That looks like it's doing a somewhat okay job already. But here's what I found that's even better than that. Here in the States is where you can get it at a store called Dollar Tree. There's a lot of them all over the country. It's called LA's Totally Awesome. It says as seen on TV with a not quite as seen on TV logo. All of this information tells you how to dilute it, because you don't need to use it full strength. And over here I have a pretty yellow spray bottle that I mix this up at about a 1/3. So one part of that stuff and the rest water. And now we're going to spray it down with this. Do you see already how much better that's doing? Let's pan down a bit. And we'll start spraying here. Now you may be saying, oh, you're using so much of it, you don't need that much. Well, remember, like I said, I diluted this by 1/3 already. Okay, so I'm not really using that much. The point here is that you can dilute it because it's not the cleaner that does the cleaning. The cleaner is a surfactant. Okay, the surfactant is a surface actant. It changes the surface tension of the water. Essentially, it makes the water wetter, and that's what works. So that's the stuff that I use. The LA's Totally Awesome. And now, without any scrubbing at all, I'm going to take the hose and we'll just sort of shower it off and see where it leaves us. This is not a be-all, end-all solution. You know, there's no way out here. You're going to have to, absolutely, no question, get in here with a scrubby pad and really clean this thing up. But just considering what this looked like before, now we'll sort of shower it off. That's pretty awesome. In fact, it's LA's Totally Awesome. For $1. For $1. And they sell it in 2 styles. They have this bottle, which is 32 ounces, and another one which is maybe 24 that has the spray trigger on it. You can get the same spray bottle at the dollar store for another $1 and use it over and over and over again and dilute this stuff. Like I said, I have made many, many bottles worth of stuff with this. So there you go. Now, of course, we have to go and scrub the rest down. Let me show you what it does to the inside. Now look how much I used already. Not that much, and I don't know how many ounces is in this spray bottle. So I'm going to just spray the inside. The roof of it, the sides, the back, everything. The racks also. And hopefully you can see how everything is just sheeting off. Okay, we'll leave that to soak for a bit, and look how much I still have left. At 1/3 dilution. We're not even using $1 worth of cleaner. You paid, you know, $3.49 for this 409, something like that. You don't need it. There are many other cleaning products out there that do an admirable job at much less than 1/3 the price. We'll spray these down too. This is the water tray. This is the thing for the wood chips, which I'll dump out later. And this is another smoker box for wood chips. I had some extra, finish up the pack, so I decided I would just use it. And let's see what it does, just spraying it on, not doing anything. Again, it's not a be-all end-all solution. You're going to have to scrub these things. There's no question about it. It's the water, once again, that does the cleaning, not the cleaner. So now I'm going to leave the smoker and these devices down here sort of soak for about 15 minutes. Let that work itself in. It's probably been a good 20 minutes to even a half hour. The phone rang. It was my father, so we chatted for a while, and now it's time to spray this out. Well, that saved a ton of scrubbing already. There's still quite a bit to go, but, you know, like I said, there's no get out of jail free card here. Let's try the smoker boxes and stuff like that. Now again, I have not touched these. They just had the cleaner sprayed on them. Let's see what we can do. Look at that, even that burnt on piece came off. Now, I got to pull these racks out and scrub those down and that, but I'm sure everything is very, very loosened, and you can see how much cleaner it already is from what it was. Down at the bottom, it always gets grody down there, as does the door. I guess maybe the grease hits the electric element and splatters up or something like that. But it's been working fine. Like I said, a little worse for wear, but the smoker works fine and it cleans up great using not that stuff, but this stuff. LA's totally awesome. For $1. Get it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.